Hi students, I am Dr. Madhvi Khandai. We are studying the differentiation chapter of standard 12th. Till now we have studied few concepts of differentiation. Today we are studying differentiation of one function with respect to another function. Now we'll see how the procedure, how to find differentiation of one function with respect to another functions. For that we have to assume the variable u for one function and variable v for another function, and both are differentiable functions of x. Then we have to find du by dx as f dash of x and dv by dx as g dash of x. Now what we have to do, we have to define derivative of u with respect to v. That is, we have to find du by dv. Now du by dv is nothing but ratio of du by dx upon dv by dx. Now du by dx is f dash of x and dv by dx is g dash of x. So the formula to find du by dv is du by dx upon dv by dx, that is f dash of x upon g dash of x. This we have to use for solving the problems. Okay. Now we see actual problems of differentiation of one function with respect to another function. Now see, I've taken this problem from unsolved problem from exercise 1.4. Differentiate sin x with respect to tan x. So here first of all I have to assume or assign variables u and v for two functions. Let us suppose this first function is u, that is x sin x, and the second function tan x is v. So we have to differentiate this u with respect to v. That is what we have to find. We have to find du by dv. By the formula, du by dv is du by dx upon dv by dx. Let us denote it as equation number 1. Now we start with u. What is u? U is x sin x. We differentiate this x sin x, that is, we differentiate this with respect to x, and that is, we find du by dx. So du by dx is d dx of x sin x. Now to find this derivative of x sin x, we use product rule of differentiation. So derivative of x sin x is, we keep this x fixed, differentiate sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x, plus keep sin x fixed, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So du by dx is x cos x plus sin x. That is denoted as equation number 2. Now we take v as tan x. V is tan x. We differentiate it with respect to x. So we get dv by dx, that is equal to derivative of tan x is sec square x. So dv by dx is equal to sec square x. We write it as equation number 3. We substitute the values of from equation number 2 and 3 and this 1. So du by dv is equal to, from second we write down x cos x plus sin x in the numerator, and from third we write sec square x in the denominator. So du by dv is x cos x plus sin x upon sec square x. This is our final answer. Understood how to differentiate one function, that is x sin x with respect to tan x, that we have seen just now. We take one more problem of differentiation. Here see, we have taken yes, basically I have taken the inverse function. In this case, see, differentiate cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan x. Okay, first function we write as u, that is u is cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, and v as tan inverse of x. What we have to find? We have to find du by dv. What is du by dv? Du by dv is du by dx upon dv by dx. Let us assume it as equation number 1. Now u is what? U is cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. We use the substitution method. We use the substitution actually for this inverse function. There is substitution we have to do, that we'll do now. So we put x is tan theta. So theta will be what? Tan inverse of x. We put it in this equation. So u is cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. putting x tan theta in this equation, and we know the formula that 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is cos of 2 theta. We use that formula here. So this term becomes cos of 2 theta. So the whole term will be cos inverse of 2 theta. And we know that cos inverse of cos theta is theta. We know this for property of inverse function, that is cos inverse of cos theta is cos theta. So cos inverse of cos of 2 theta becomes 2 theta. And theta, already we know that theta is tan inverse of x. So we put for theta as tan inverse of x. So we get u is 2 times tan inverse of x. Now we differentiate this u with respect to x. So we get du by dx is equal to 2 times. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So du by dx is 2 upon 1 plus x square. We denote it by equation number 2. Now v is tan inverse of x. We differentiate it with respect to x. So we get dv by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dv by dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square. We denote it as equation number 3. Now we substitute the values of du by dx and dv by dx from equation 2 and 3 in equation number 1 here. So we get du by dv is, in the numerator we put this, that is 2 upon 1 plus x square. In the denominator we put this 1 upon 1 plus x square. In the numerator and denominator is 1 upon 1 plus x square. That gets cancelled. See here. So what is left? Du by dv is 2. So derivative of cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x is 2. Okay. So this completes the differentiation of one function with respect to another function. Okay. In the next lecture, in our next topic, next video, basically, I'll take derivative, higher order derivative, which is the last topic of differentiation in this academic year. Actually, in this the last topic of this chapter, successive differentiation or nth order derivative, that is reduced from the syllabus for this academic year. So you don't have to study that. The last topic of this chapter, differentiation, is higher order derivative, that I'll take in the next class. Okay. So thank you.